Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's prepare an authentic Italian spaghetti. So let's get started. To the boiling water, add salt as required. Then add spaghetti. With the help of the ladle, try to immerse the spaghetti. Use 6 to 7 tomatoes which is boiled and peeled. Then you can use a chopper to chop the tomatoes, or you can chop the tomatoes with a knife, but please don't grind it. Drain the spaghetti. Do not throw the stock, that is spaghetti water. Keep it for further use. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. And let the butter melt. Then place the cubed onions as shown so that the dish gets a very good taste. Then add the chopped tomatoes Meanwhile, add chilli flakes, mixed herbs, and salt as per taste. And let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes on low flame. Then add the boiled spaghetti. and some stock and mix it well. Close the lid and let it cook for few minutes. And there you have it, your yummy and tasty Italian spaghetti. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss an upcoming video. Finally, garnish with some chili flakes and mixed herbs. Also, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me. Please check the ingredients and method of preparation in the description box. You can also connect me on Facebook and Instagram. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.